what to do, what to do, what to do.
You know, it for someone, so for someone it can be. Oops.
आज मसल्स बना के मारूंगी गाइस.
Hi everyone, this is Manashwita Mahanta and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Festivities का महीना चल रहा है and चलने वाला है 1-2 महीने तक तो completely. So I hope you all are keeping well and taking all the precautions if you're going out. Title देख के आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं self portrait festive looks के बारे में. तो I am just going to tell you about some very basic things that you can incorporate into your photo shoot to make it look nice. Do not worry about having to buy any expensive things to be able to do this photo shoot. You can just do this with the simplest of things that you have in your house. Okay, so the first idea is a concept photo shoot, जो कि actually I have seen in a lot of books and a lot of illustrations, and it is something that is true. We all know a woman is capable of so much. It seems like she does it all, and how. So it can be anybody. It can be your mom, it can be your girlfriend, it can be your sister, it can be you yourself, it can be any person who's making this world a better place to be in.
Now I'll use the cello tape to like mark the area where I'm going to stand, because there are several photos that are going to be taken at different intervals of the middle point. So I will just stick it over here so that every time I try to take my picture, I'll take it in this exact spot. So yeah. Okay, so the background is done and I have with me this copy where I have like written down all the things that I'll require and in which hand I'm going to carry what and stuff like that. So it's easier for me to like, I'll not like, you know, what to do sort of a situation now. Easily मैंने ऐसे अच्छे से write down कर लिया है. I'm so excited. I hope it turns out like I'm thinking. Yeah, otherwise तो इतनी मेहनत बेकार जाएगी. But you'll see whatever it comes out. Okay, you will see it. So should I just get ready? Let's go. And I'm done guys, and please excuse my sari draping skills. मुझे नहीं आती उतनी अच्छे से, and mummy is busy right now so she could not really help me with this, so I had to do it myself जैसे मुझे पता. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just setting down and before the light goes completely away I have to be done with it. Okay, so let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
But unfortunately guys, I did not find the editing to be up to the mark.
What the fuck?
I worked really hard on this one. I edited for like 6-7 hours on PicsArt. I do not have Photoshop or a good laptop, so I do everything on my phone. But the thing is, the result did not come out that well. I don't know what to do, but I will show you what happened. Like this is the edit that I did. I'm not happy with it at all. I think it can be better, but it didn't come out like I visualized it. I think I'll have to try later, but I thought I'll still show you guys, because life is not always about the perfect things that you can do, right? It's also about the imperfect things that you at least tried. So here is my humble attempt at something new that I did. I hope you don't hate me for it. Moving on to the second shoot. This is very simple, you guys.
For this, you just need 2 sarees, one to wear and another one to hang in the background. You can also use a dupatta to hang it, that's no problem. Just experiment with some simple poses and play around with the fabric and you'll have your beautiful portraits. So using the same concept, I had done a shoot a couple of months back. The pictures are on my Instagram. I absolutely loved it. I used the earring as a mang tikka, which made it very royal, and it was a complete jugaad idea. Here are some pictures for you to see. I love them. I hope you do too.
For this particular shoot, I thought I'll get my pictures on the terrace. See, if you have a terrace or a veranda even, there's a lot of possibilities, like lot of places where you can actually click your pictures really well. And even if it doesn't look very good while you're clicking them, you're like, yaar, ye kya aa raha hai, kachra and all that. But afterwards, when you edit, you'll see a visible difference in your photographs, and if it brings an antique rustic look as well, that works too. Do not be afraid to experiment, do not be afraid to explore new possibilities in the simplest of places, guys.
Okay, so for this I wore a simple kurti dress and layered it up with some accessories to make it a little bit more festive. And now I'll show you 3 different ways in which I took pictures in this particular outfit. The first one is some very normal minimal poses that you can try. For the next thing, I wanted to use the props, and I used a dupatta which actually matches with the color of my dress, and I tied it to anything and everything I could get hold of. Just experimented with it, played along with it. And yeah, these are the shots that I got out of it. I actually personally loved them. I don't know what you think. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this idea. Like, this is a very simple thing, right? A dupatta can be found in everyone's home. So yeah, let me know what you think about it. Lastly, I'm going to try to take some low angle shot. The tripod did not work here, so I just used it to support the phone, and I kept the phone on the floor and I stood over here and I clicked the pictures, and let's see how it goes. Really like how this pictures turned out, you guys. It was actually a bit dark when I clicked it, but I edited it on Lightroom to make it seem like this. If you want a detailed editing tutorial, do let me know. I would love to make one for you. But yeah, this is how I did it. I loved it.
Shit, it started raining, so I have to run. I have to grab my stuff. And run before mom kills me. Okay, bye.
Hi guys, it's 7:30 p.m. today and I tried something new. I used this, my cough-o-meter. It makes me cough so much, but I've seen a lot of good pictures on Instagram using this kind of things, and I really wanted to try it, so I did. And also I have a new mehman today with me. I think this thing looks very beautiful, but I am clumsy as fuck, so I was very scared that I don't know, accidentally burn my house or something. It was fucking scary, okay, but I was like, कोई नहीं, try करते हैं. और ये मटका, I just got it. I thought I'll do something with it. So these are the props that I used today, and I hope the pictures came out good. I've already done with the shoot. I quickly recorded this so that I can tell you the experience. It was horrible. The light was almost already gone. It's very cold these days and sun is setting way too soon, man. For someone who wakes up in the afternoon to wrap up a shoot in such a small amount of time is really difficult. So I don't know how it was without proper light and all, but I tried my best. I hope you guys like it. So yeah, let's see the pictures. Looks like this is it for today's video. I hope you could learn something from it. I hope this was helpful to you, and if not, you just enjoyed watching it. I surely hope so. If you did, do not forget to like this video and share it with people who may find it helpful. If you recreate these pictures and post them on your Instagram, do not forget to tag me. Here is my handle. I would love to check them out and reshare them on my stories. Do not forget to subscribe. It's completely free, but it would mean the world to me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my channel. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye. ढेर सारा प्यार.